Welcome back, dear students, to my YouTube channel and e-learning program of Gokhale Education Society. I am Pardesi AI, working as an assistant teacher in JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Once again, I am here with the geography subject of Standard 8. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 5, Ocean Currents. In the previous video, we learned about horizontal or surface ocean water and reason behind it. Today we are going to discuss and learn first effects of ocean currents on human life, second figure 5.5 and 5.6 deep ocean currents, third deep ocean currents, fourth importance of deep ocean currents, fifth always remember, sixth quick look on question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us turn to our first point, effects of ocean surface currents on human life. We can divide it into 5 effects. A effects, effect on climate. B, effect on ecosystems. C, effect on water transportation. D, effects on precipitations. E, problems due to meeting of cold and warm currents. Effect on climate. Ocean currents especially affect the climate of the regions having proximity to the sea. In cold regions where warm ocean currents flow, climate becomes warmer. In some regions, the amount of precipitation increases. For example, the warm ocean currents flowing near Western Europe, Southern Alaska, and Japanese coast reduce the intensity of the winters there and make them warmer. As a result, these ports do not freeze in winters. Effects of ocean surface currents on ecosystem. Had ocean currents been absent, the ocean water would have remained still. In such waters, the biotic components would have been devoid of food. Consequently, marine life and its ecosystems would have been limited in its extent. In regions where cold and warm currents meet, plankton, vegetation, algae, etc. grow. This is food for fish. Therefore, fish come here in large numbers and breed. This has in turn led to formation of large fishing grounds. Grand Bank near the Northern American coast in Atlantic Ocean and Dogger Bank near the European coast are some of the examples. Effects of ocean surface currents on human life. Third point is effect on water transportation. With respect to the water transport to the ocean currents are very important. If the transportation is done according to the flow of ocean currents, the speed of the ships increases and the fuel is saved too. D point is effects of ocean surface currents on precipitation, that is on rainfall. Near the coast where cold currents flow, the amount of precipitation is low. For example, in Peru, Chile and the arid desert of southwest Africa. Problems due to the meeting of cold and warm currents. At places where the cold and warm currents meet, thick fog is formed. Such fogs create problems for transportation. The warm Gulf Stream and the cold Labrador currents meet near the Newfoundland Island. This leads to dense fog. Because of the cold currents, icebergs are carried away from the polar areas. If such icebergs came along the marine routes, they are hazardous to the ships. Observe the figure 5.5 deep ocean currents and 5.6 deep ocean currents. Deep ocean currents. Water currents beyond the depth of 500 meters are known as deep water or ocean currents. These currents are formed due to the differences in temperature and density of the water in different parts of the ocean. This is known as thermohaline circulation. These currents flow till the sea bed of the ocean. They flow like rivers continuously below the surface of the sea. See the figure 5.5. The difference in temperatures of various parts of the ocean is the major reason behind the deep sea currents. Warm water has lower salinity and density. Such water comes to the surface of the sea. Cold water with high density goes down. This movement causes the deep sea water currents. See figure 5.6. Generally, the surface water near Greenland and Europe moves to the more depths. This water moves to the Antarctica at this depth. Later, the water moves to the surface. Thus, the redistribution of the ocean water keeps occurring. This redistribution takes around 500 years to complete. This type of movement is also known as conveyor belt. Importance of deep ocean currents. Due to the thermohaline circulation, movement of seawater occurs on large scale. Because of this circulation, ocean water moves from the surface to the bottom and from the bottom to the surface. Warm water which is transferred to the bottom from the surface and the nutrient-rich cold water is circulated to the surface. Our last find is always remember, the ocean currents do not flow very close to the coast. They flow near the lower limit of the continental shelf. Even though the velocity of the ocean current is less, the water carried by them is immense. Under the influence of the westerlies in the mid latitudes, the ocean currents flow from west to east, but near the equator they flow from east to west. This leads to a circular pattern. Observe the figure 5.4. The topic "Do you know?" on the page number 33 is reduced due to the COVID-19. Now see the first question. Choose the correct option. In it, see A. In which ocean does the Labrador current flow? And the correct option is North Atlantic. B question. Which current out of the following flows in the Indian Ocean? And the correct option is option number 4, Somali current. Next question. Which factor out of the following does not affect the region along the coast? And the correct option is option number 3, land bridge. D question. Which of the following occurs in the area where the cold and warm currents meet? And the correct option is option number 4, thick fog. Last question. Which of these following currents flow from the northern polar region up to Antarctica? And the correct option is option number 4, deep ocean currents. Question number 2. Examine the given statements and correct the wrong ones. A question. Ocean currents give specific direction and velocity to the water. This is the correct statement. B statement. The deep ocean currents flow with high velocity. It is a wrong statement. Correct statement is the deep ocean currents flow with low velocity as the redistribution of the water through deep ocean currents takes around 500 years for completion. C statement. Generally, surface ocean currents are formed in the equatorial regions. It is a wrong statement. Surface ocean currents flow from the equator to the poles and from the poles to the equator. D statement. Ocean currents hold great importance for human life. It is a correct statement. E question. The movement of icebergs is not dangerous for water transport. It is a wrong statement. The correct statement should be the movement of icebergs is dangerous for water transport. Last statement. Water becomes warm near Brazil due to ocean currents. On the other hand, it becomes cold near African coast. It is a wrong statement. Correct statement is water becomes warm near Brazil due to ocean currents. Similarly, it also becomes warm near African coast. Question number 3. Explain the effect of. Find and write the answers of these questions in your notebook. Question number 4. Look at the map or the figure 5.4 of ocean currents and answer the following questions.